Okay, so cupcakes, we're all waiting, okay? We're all waiting for the episode. I did not forget, like, how could I? The only problem when the episode went live, because it did go live for a few minutes, it got blocked immediately by YouTube because apparently there's some stuff there that shouldn't be there. I don't know what it is. They're working on it. I just got an email that the video is blocked, and by the time they call me, I already saw, and they've been working on it. I didn't think it was going to take this long, really. But I also don't want to rush them, because then I don't want it, when we put it back up, there's another problem and we have to offload it. Because what happened now, they had to take it down, edit out whatever it is that is not wanted or is causing an issue with YouTube, and then uploading it up, and all of that is a bit of a process. So let's just bear with them.